Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So today is the most requested video from you guys, which is TANCET previous year questions. So TANCET exam is nearing, right? So TANCET 2026 is nearing, which is in the month of March. So TANCET previous year question is what we'll be doing today. You have a lot of sections. We will be covering all the logical reasoning, analytical part and everything. Okay, not the passage part. If you want to do the passage part, basically this is a logical reasoning and aptitude related channel. So yeah, if you want me to do, I'll help you to do with it. And today we'll be starting with analytical reasoning. And you will be getting at least 4 videos per week, not in the same topic, in general aptitude related topic, which is also helpful for your TANCET exam. So do subscribe and get your notification on so that you will get a bell. I mean you'll get a notification when I have put a video. So let's quickly get into the video. So here, what the question is, A plus B means A is mother of B. A minus B means A is brother of B. Okay. A percentage B means A is father of B. A multiply B means A is sister of B. Which of the following is P is maternal uncle of Q. Maternal uncle. So basically maternal means a male side. Okay. So maternal uncle is given. Okay. So what can you say the gender of P? So P is definitely for male. This symbol I'm putting for male and this symbol I'm putting for female. So P is definitely a male because in the following they are asking which is a maternal uncle. So this is your, so P is male. So when you look at the option in the first option, so first option, the option is just changed here, which is instead of plus it will be divide. Okay. So when you look at the options here, so basically you can say that divide symbol is not given in this option. So option A is not true. Okay, because divide symbol is not defined here. Percentage symbol is only defined. Next one, P plus S into, so P plus S means P, so P plus S means P is mother of S, right? So P is mother of S. So basically it is a different gender. So in this, your P is a female gender, right? So in this P is female gender. So we from the question itself we know P is a male gender. So this is wrong. Okay. The next one, when you see P minus M means basically P is a brother of P is a brother of Q. Sorry, P is a brother of M. So basically it is a male gender only. So let me say brother of M. Okay, we don't know the gender of M. Okay, I'm just putting a hyphen. Now M plus N. M plus N means M is a mother of N. So basically N is M is the mother. So I am representing as this. So M is the mother of N. Okay. So here I am putting normal dash. Okay. Now N into Q. N into Q means A is a sister. A into B means A is a sister of B. So N is a sister of Q. So N is also what? Normal thing only. What is N? N is also basically a female character. So what can you say that your N and Q are sibling? Basically their mother is, M is mother, and what you say, This is maternal uncle. Maternal means mother only, paternal only father. Maternal. So your mother's brother, you call it as uncle, right? So whatever the answer we found is, the right option is option C. I hope you get it, right? Now the next question, 138, 142, they have given you a sequence. You have to find the missing value. So now how can I find this? Let me take 142 minus 138. I will be getting it as 4. Same way, 146 minus 142. I will be getting it as 4. Same way, 150 minus 146. I will be getting it as 4. Similarly, I should get something. So you should add 4 to get it. So your answer probably, you need not basically they might take modulus, because you should have an extra. So you have 142 there. So basically if I take the difference of this 142 minus 138, I am getting 4. So this difference is also 4. So 150 minus 4, I'll be getting 146. Okay. So basically my answer will be 146, and if I minus 4 again, I'll be getting 142. The answer this is. So sometimes they're adding 4, sometimes they're subtracting 4. That is the pattern. So your answer is 146. Now let's go to the next question. So your next question is, the question is basically you have A, P, R, X, Z. So 6 members are sitting in a row. S and Z are in center. A and P are at the ends. Okay. R is sitting the left of A, who's in the right of P. So that is the question. Are you clear? So when you look at the question, now let me draw a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now what you're having is basically, let me have 6 positions are there, so I'm putting 6. So S and Z are in the centers, right? So center means either this possibility is there, S will be first in this, or even this possibility is there, Z and S. So either of the possibilities are there. Now AP are at the ends. Okay, so A and P can be either of this way, or here P can be here, and here you can have A. Okay, now R is sitting in the left of A. So when I consider this probability, A's left is this and A's right is this. When I take this probability, A's left is this and A's right is this. So when I look into it, R is sitting in the left side. So left of A in this in this you don't have any seat. So basically this whole possibility is not true. So basically from then we can redraw again and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So basically, so the down possibility is gone. So you'll be having P here, you'll be having A here. So center you can have Z or S here. You can also have Z or S here. Alternatively, this either this possibility is also true, this possibility is also true. In the left of A, we are supposed to put R, right? Now, who is sitting in the right of P? Remaining only one position is left for, that is X. Right? So your right, this is your right of P. So your right, your answer you'll be having is X. So then you don't have any problem. So this answer is your X. So next question, pointing to the man who said, pointing to the man, a woman said, his mother is only daughter of my mother. How is woman related to the man? So see, basically you have a man and he's pointing to a woman. So he has a mother. Okay. Okay. And he's pointing to a woman and he's saying his woman said his mother is only daughter of my mother. So his mother, so basically you have a mother, his mother is only daughter of my mother, which means you can say that these both are equal only. He's pointing to his own mother only. Okay, so his mother is only daughter of my mother. So basically they are meaning that both are same. Woman pointing to the woman related to is nothing but his own mother. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and we'll definitely have a part 2 video of the analytical session alone. Then remaining sessions we'll be having different parts. So yes, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.